Hi, this is Redmi 12 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. For example, you could use the torch or the camera app by double press the power key button. And how to do that? We should first open the settings, tap to additional settings and click to gesture shortcuts. You got here the launch camera. To use the camera app, just tap on the switcher. Now twice press to the power key button. And we could see that the camera app successfully activated. We could also turn off this option and to use the the torch. So let's press twice to the power key and we could see that the torch successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.